How to make a group admin on your Android device. What's up everyone? In this tutorial we're going to see how you can make someone a group admin on your Android device. So the first thing that you want to do is open your WhatsApp app, and before we do that I want you to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alright, so on that note, in order to make someone a group admin, you will need admin position yourself. So if you are admin in any group, only then you are able to make the change. So let's say if I open a group chat right here, what I want to do is first just tap on the group info, and if you scroll down, you will see the list of all the members on the group chat. So what you want to do here is choose the member that you want to make admin. Long press on their name and you will get different options like message this person, view this person's profile, make group admin, or remove them from the group, and verify security code. You just want to make tap on make group admin, and once you do this, they are group admin. They have been added as group admin, so they will be able to make all of the changes that admins can make. They can add or remove members, and if you want to dismiss their admin position, what you want to do is do the same thing, hold on to their name and dismiss as admin. Now their admin position is gone. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.